First, we get a free service from AWS. We create a new account. Here we write our mail. We write here the same code that will be sent to our email. We write our new password here. Here you can enter our own bank card. This is completely free, no money is charged. We write our number here and verify that we are not a robot below. We write the verification code sent to our number. We choose the free plan. This plan gives us 750 hours per month. But since these 750 hours are renewed every month, this plan is completely free for us. We can give any name we want. Here we choose Ubuntu because our script supports Ubuntu. Here we name our keypar. We can give it any name we want. We are starting our server. We open our PowerShell and connect to our server with SSH. For this, we will write the location of the key we created. It is not possible to connect without a key. We write our Ubuntu user account and then the name of the server. I'm changing my host name here. It's optional, even if you don't do it. I will give you the GitHub link in the comments and run the command below. I will show you step by step. We leave them all as default. All you have to do is check that the IP is correct. script gave us an OVPN file. We download it using SFTP. For this, we use the get command and write the exact location of where we want to download it. Here, to access our server, we must first open a port on the firewall, which I will show you step by step. Here we write the port we wrote in OpenVPN. By default, it is 1194. We download and install the OpenVPN client from OpenVPN's own website. And we open the OVPN file we downloaded from our server in the client. Now we are testing our rope, and as we see, the rope has changed. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.